What's up everybody? Hope you guys are all having a great day. What we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be jacking the car back up. And no, I haven't cleaned any of the garage out yet, which I'll probably do later off camera. But what I wanna do today is two things for the rear. We recently just installed our exhaust. So as you guys can tell, I do still need to readjust the angle on the exhaust so it doesn't melt my diffuser anymore. I did order a carbon fiber exhaust guard to help cover that up a little bit and hopefully protect from heat. But on this side, we actually bought an exhaust cover, which I think looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go install that and let you guys know what I think. What we also need to do while the car's still jacked up is, was highly recommended from RK that when you install the exhaust and you drive it for a little bit, you should jack the car back up and just re-tighten everything down because it may do some self-adjusting. You just want to make sure you have it tight. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. When I drove the car, it felt pretty good already, but I'm just going to go ahead and do that anyways. All right, we have the exhaust repositioned. As you guys can see, there is a lot of room now. Should have had it set up like this before. But that should be good. Again, I have an engine carbon fiber exhaust guard coming in to help with the heat, as well as cover up the burn marks. But good thing these diffusers are a single piece and I can replace it if I ever need to. What we're gonna be doing next is we're gonna go ahead and install this exhaust cover on the passenger side. Ideally, I would like to find a diffuser where I can custom and just, you know, mold it or fill it in to make it look OEM, but for now, this should do. I'll show you guys how it's gonna look. Hopefully you guys can see that, but it covers it up pretty well, in my opinion. For a quick fix, this is pretty good. There it is, guys. It's actually pretty good for now. This is how it is. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Whew. One day I will get a custom diffuser that fills in the passenger side exit for sure. But for now, it looks pretty good to me. And it's time to drop the car. Let's set you guys up, let you guys see this thing. It's raining outside too, so. There she goes. What do you guys think of the rear? Dude, I think this is gonna look so good. It looks like an MK4 now. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put away the jack stands. Gotta put away the quick jacks. Still gotta find a home for this exhaust. I really don't know where to put it. I don't wanna put it on one of the shelves. I'm thinking about just throwing it in my backyard, standing it up and hiding it behind the shed. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. We'll take you guys into the house and I gotta show you guys these new wheels. It's exciting. All right guys, I'm all showered up, freshened up, and it's time to open up my new wheels. Let me go ahead and put this down. All right, my wheels. Ooh, okay. All right guys. And the wheels that we got for the next set of wheels we got Dun, dun, dun. Rays again. We got TE37s again. Oh shit. Okay, let me tell you guys about this. So I actually didn't get new wheels for the Supra. I used to have a Subaru, so I follow Subi Speed, that pretty much they're the #1 retailer for WXs and STIs. They had a little raffle going on, and all you had to do was make an Instagram reel, and I so happened won. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do with this TE37 is turn it into a coffee table. What do you guys think? Pretty excited about this one. Let me take it out of the box for you guys. Oh, check it out, guys. It's not as concave as the regular, I think, 18 by 9.5 plus 38 that all the STIs and WXs run. Whoa. I was hoping it would be more concave than this, but that's gonna be my little coffee table, guys. This is gonna be so sick. Macho, what do you think of my coffee table? Kilo, what do you think of my coffee table? But that's all I got for today, guys. Comment and subscribe, everybody. This is Kilo. Bye. Kilo, say bye. Okay.